I stand before favor, and favor accepts me. I stand before grace, and grace walks with me. Those who bestow protection and prosperity watch over me. I and the soul tribe are favored with all blessings. We are covered with peace, love, and harmony. Our families are loved and protected. Our pets and animals are covered. Where we go, we are covered. Where we are becoming a magnet for peace, prosperity, protection, and love. Our powers are restored. We are made complete. Our wants and needs are answered. Our peace is assured. What is said against us will not prosper, but will die on the vine. What is spoken is done, so mote it be. Thank you, thank you, thank you.